I mean, she wasn't sitting in the front row, so she couldn't have been family, right?
I have no clue, but I'll tell you what, I kind of expected, more people here than 8 humans, 1 dead, and a
porcupine? I mean, like, what was that? This sucks. I mean, what a way to go. I mean, 1 minute you're chomping on a hamburger, the next day, you're dead meat. I'm hungry.
You know something? Seamus was the only acting coach around. He helped me land that national, the Cluck and Bell commercial where I played a chicken. You wanna grab a taco?
Definitely. Brett, check this out. Learn the LA acting technique at a new South Florida location. 24,000 square feet. Director Liberty has 175 years of acting, directing, and producing experience? 175?
This could be the game changer, bro.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully her coaching is better than her arithmetic. I think Liberty's math skills might be over-liberated.
Director Liberty's an actress. What does she need math skills for anyway? Let's grab some grub and check it out.
We need to talk. You and I have been together for quite some time, but I just can't be tied down right now. The thought of being in a committed relationship is traumatic at a time like this. As you know, the building in which my business is housed has been condemned. On top of that, just look at you. So desperate and clinging. Hello? Are you even listening to me? Fortunately, we have a backup location. It's where we met this morning.
Bro, we used to bowl here as kids. And didn't you sell catnip to some kid in the bathroom and pass it off as pot?
Oh, yeah! What was his name? He had like a cat name. Garfield. Heathcliff.
That's it.
So Liberty teaches acting out of a bowling alley?
Brucey, my boy, Liberty teaches acting while working at a storage facility that was once a bowling alley.
Oh shit, isn't that the crazy porcupine lady that was at Seamus' funeral?
No.
You think that's... No. I think I smell patchouli oil.
No.
Sage.
Negativity that invades my sacred place. I banish you away with the light of my grace. You have no hold or power here, for I stand before you with no fear. Be gone forever, for this I will say. This is my sacred place, and you will obey. belongings. These subjects are here to give it a new home.
As wish director. Excuse me, gentlemen.
I'm Vincent, and this is Bruce. We saw your website and are interested in acting lessons.
Pleasure to meet you.
I would like to talk to each of you individually. You, Barry.
Bruce?
Fetch 2 chairs. Let's speak alone. And fetch my food as well. Why have you seeked me out, Brian?
Why, this is Brian. I'm Barry. I'm Bruce. Weren't you at Seamus's funeral?
Indeed, I was at Seamus's funeral services.
Service? Don't you mean service?
Barry dear, I am a professionally trained Shakespearean actress. I mean every word I say, and I deliver it with timed perfection. By the way, Barry, as the director, I will ask the questions until you learn how to articulate questions appropriately. Furthermore, Seamus died more than once.
You're kidding, right? What happened?
That libretto, Barry, is for another season.
Right. Well, we were students of Seamus's, and I wanted to continue learning the craft. You know, hone my acting skills.
Oh, hello, Ben. Yes, darling, everything is spectacular, thank you. Yes, by the way, these subjects are not here to pick up the feline. Oh, yes, he certainly does know his way around the... Oh, aha. Yes, well, real is so rare nowadays. Oh, I do have another call coming in. I'll talk to you soon. Ta-ta. Well, Barry, please retrieve Vincent. Your interview has commenced. You were the one I was most concerned with. Your order gives off hubris.
How long have you worked here? A few hours.
Well, that was interesting. You're next, Victor.
Who the hell's Victor? Anyway, this is Juan. He works here. And this is Buddy Cliff. I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna go chew a Liberty.
Okay. So, what do you do? Juan?
You could say I'm in the biz myself. I'm a writer, director, and part-time dancer.
Cliff, where do I know you from? You look so frickin' familiar.
You got a TV set? Probably that. I shot a pillow infomercial a while back. I got a Hep C commercial that's been going around. Where the hell is the bathroom? Oh, never mind, I see it. Hey, save me a seat in there, brother, man.
You got
that
it.
sweat off. That's embarrassing.
Anyway, so, you gonna be working with Director Liberty? Pretty coincidental she sets up shop where you work, huh? I see great things in your future, Juan.
Pretty coincidental. I've already spoken to her. I'm showing her my set tomorrow at noon.
Later, Juan.
It's John.
Be right back. Gotta see a man about a horse.
Nice place. Hey, what? Why wouldn't you just use the bigger stuff? Oh, no, I get it. You want to see it less conspicuous.
Yeah. You got veins? I'm only doing this because I have to, though, man.
Yeah, well, I'm only doing this because I have to, brother man.
Ready to do it?
Damn skippy, bro.
Oh, all right.
Well, I should get that furry critter up and running.
Excellent. Please finish setting up the workshop.
Sure, Director.
What's up, buddy? Just in time. George, we're going to school. A couple things with us.
Clifford, you're tardy. That will not be tolerated.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you realize
Zip it, Bruce. As I'm sure you've done your research, then you are aware that at one point I maintained residence in Los Angeles for numerous years. It is there that I maintained status as an actor, director, producer, director's assistant, production assistant, casting manager, casting agent, gaffer, dolly grip, best boy, boom operator, set designer, prop master. Just to name a few, I offer you a century of experience within the craft. Are you ready to have director Liberty align your stars?
Yes, Director.
Fabulous. I'll expect each of you to have a monologue prepared tomorrow at noon. Be off book and prepared emotionally to receive feedback. We will also begin your training with privates. Privates are defined as our one-on-one time, where you are the actor and I am the director. Think of me as your guiding light. Clifford, our privates will align tomorrow. We will manipulate your privates at 6 a.m. Pacific Central Time. So many questions without answers, and answers without questions. Up, stand. Let's do a light breathing exercise before our binding energies depart for a brief gestation. Barry, please approach your director.
You're married, remember?
Face the class. Excellent. Now we're going to breathe in and out. Breathe in and out using the diaphragm. And Bruce, pay attention. Stop flirting with Vincent. Now breathe in and out. Explore the breath. Imagine what it's like to breathe. Picture in your mind's eye a blue light coming from all the way at the top of your head, down, deep into your genitals, and
Bro, you good? I think Director Liberty made you a bitch.
A former student of mine, Stacy, once performed just 30 minutes after her tonsillectomy. Class dismissed. Please return the chairs to their appropriate locations and be back here tomorrow by noon 30. Clifford, I'll see you at 6 a.m. la 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 la. Ha!
Clifford, you're tardy. Early is on time is late, and late is inexcusably unacceptable.
Yeah, I had car trouble. I didn't get into it until about 20 minutes ago.
Well, time waits for no man.
What have you remove your sunglasses. And your jacket.
Jacket stays on, sweetheart.
It's directed liberty, Clifford.
Director Liberty, sweetheart.
What have you prepared for me today?
It's a monologue. It's already perfected, but I actually do it better than the guy who wrote the monologue.
Okay,
so
good. Take your mark on my stage, please. We'll begin.
Manhood. It's a job. Done right, it's a tiring job. And a woman has a lot to do.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Excellent. So yes, seeing as how you're so handy with cars, I was wondering if you would be so kind as to help me with my vehicle. It's parked out front.
I'm gonna finish the monologue. It's more than 2 lines.
You know, I feel like you're not taking this class seriously. You need to fix that. Take measures to receive the light from this workshop. I'm not sure if you're aware, Clifford, as a new student, but it is imperative that all of my students have no outside distractions if they want to further their acting career. Would you happen to have any outside distractions that you need to take care of?
Oh, yeah, no problem. That
Into
reminds me.
your space.
Hey, Tiffany. Clifford. Yes. Hey, 6 a.m. I just wanted to tell you we're no longer dating anymore. I gotta move on with my life, my career, and you're not involved with that, unfortunately. I know. Why are you crying? Do me a favor, say goodbye to the kids for me. Yeah, I'm not the real dad, so they'll understand quickly. Okay. Hey, Maria. Yeah, it's Cliff. Yeah, we're breaking up. Sorry about that. Shit happens. Take care. Just texting the last one. I want emotionally stable. Do that verbally.
Excellent. Okay, well then now that you're ready to receive the light from my workshop, we no longer have time for your monologue. However, I do require some assistance with my vehicle. I'm having some engine trouble. Come along. I said come along. Please come. Come now, let's go.
Hey, what up, boys?
Bro, really? Where are your pants?
And your bowling shoes.
Liberty said being liberated from pants helped me be in the moment for my scene. I guess I'm portraying a private in the army. Anywho, I gotta get going. I gotta be on scene soon. Tonight in this indie film, I'm getting lit on fire and stomped out with a rake, doing my own stunts.
Hey, so did Lady Liberty salute the flagpole? Private?
So what monologue did you choose?
You'll see. Plan on incorporating some of my new martial art moves and, you know, some fun.
Yeah, nice. I'll probably work on one Seamus and I are working on. Well, break a leg, Bruce Lee.
Although I was unable to present you with my monologue, thank you, Director Liberty, for discovering I wasn't held enough as a child, and I lacked the ability to feel a room. I apologize to you and your spirits.
Ben, please gather up Jim's belongings and make sure he gets to his car safely. Remember, students, this is a safe place, and safety and respect are always present within these 4 sacred walls.
Remember, Jim, the past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. See you later, Flunky.
All right, settle. Now, Juan, please take your mark on my stage. Juan will be attempting to make me laugh today, providing some comedic relief, if you will. Now, this is Juan's first time. So, Juan, I will be providing feedback for you today on your set. As your director, this is my job. It is my destiny. The question is, Juan, what is your destiny? Would you like your feedback in Spanish? Espanol?
I prefer English because it's John, not Juan. Me llamo John, not Juan. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys a couple of jokes. When I was a kid, I thought I worshipped Satan, but I just like the taste of goat's blood. A little hot up here. This thing on? My dad died when I was a kid. It was hard on all of us, but it was really hard on my dad. I don't know why they call it taking a shit, because I spent way more time wiping my ass.
Juan, tu mosca está abierta.
Oh God. I have one last.
So much tension. Juan really shouldn't allow his machismo to get in the way of his performance. I pride myself on understanding people. This is a safe place, students, and you will give and give respect. This is the perfect time for some stretching and light refreshment. Everyone up, stand, remove your shoes. Up, stand. Spread out. Now, take a nice deep breath in, follow my lead. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, reach for the sky. Exhale, spread your legs. And we're going to go ahead and put your hands on the floor. Go ahead and touch your fingers to the floor. If you can, go ahead and touch your palms to the floor. And if you can, now go ahead and place your elbows on the floor.
Good job, Juanita. You write your own jokes, man?
Yeah, man. But I'm not sure if I did well because the only thing she told me was my fly was down in fucking Spanish.
Well, I'm going up next.
It's gonna be huge. Good luck, bro.
Good job, Juan. See you guys inside.
Really? What the fuck is going on here?
Vincent, approach your director. My phone seems to be inoperable. Help me retrieve my emails.
Director Liberty. I don't think this phone has those capabilities.
Nonsense. Take it home and prepare the device.
Okay.
Bruce, why are you on my stage? Be seated. Class, nobody should ever take the stage without the director's approval. Nobody should ever do anything without being first instructed by the director. I demand respect. I've earned this respect by being in this industry for as long as I have. I have performed on the most prestigious stages, from New York to London to Topeka, Kansas. Now seems like a perfect time to address obedience. Students, repeat after me. Obedience and submission to the director are the keys to an actor's success.
Obedience and submission to the director are the keys to actor's success.
Without obedience, there is chaos.
Without obedience, there is chaos.
Rebels fail as actors, cattle thrive.
Rebels fail as actors, cattle thrive.
Now, Vincent, please, take my stage.
So I was talking to Blackburn the other day, and he asked me,
Are you chewing gum? Get rid of your gum immediately and begin again. And remove your shirt as well. I see you shirtless during this rendition.
so I was talking to Blackburn the other day.
Oh, beautiful Sam. How long has it been? 8, 10 years?
Oh, I've missed you immensely,
It's so
Director.
great to see you. Class,
I'm in town from Los Angeles.
this is Samantha. She is what is known as a triple threat. That means she can sing, dance, and act. Unlike your director, who is a sextuplet. I sing, dance, act. I'm young, beautiful, and I teach acting classes very, very well. Oh, Samantha, please do address the class.
Well, Liberty has changed my life. I'm born again from her guidance. I started receiving her guiding light about 8 or 10 months ago, and oh my God, she is just amazing. She's fabulous.
Ben, that's a wrap. Please join us for some LA education and tofurkey.
I would be delighted. Nothing would thrill me more than to spend the rest of my day with the non-youthful duo.
Grab my belongings, let's go.
You ready, brother man, to kick the door in with your monologue today?
Man, of course I'm ready.
Liberty sure is interesting, though. Very eccentric?
Yeah. See, the best actors are eccentric, right? It's useful to elicit a great performance. Think mad enthusiastic. Like you in the gym.
I must relay an incident that occurred recently during a private. A now former student of mine displayed extreme arrogance by exploring other acting coaches, aka studios, to expand his learning of the craft. Unacceptable at this juncture. Samantha and Ben are perfect examples of consistent workshop training. It will take most of you 8 to 10 years to become fabulous actors. Some of you may have to quit your jobs. Some of you may have to divorce your wife or leave all your women behind to receive the light from my workshop. So, follow my guidance, don't ask questions, and do as I direct. All of you are infants at this stage, and as we know, infants don't ask questions. All right, Bruce, take your mark on my stage. Whoa, there is no running here. That is disrespectful and outright rude. Now take your seat. Fine. Now, Batty, take my main stage.
Pay attention to the name.
And begin.
My name is Rex, and if you study my 8-week program, you will learn the system of defense that I've developed over 2 seasons in the Octagon. It's called Rex Squad. addition to what you've just seen, if you study my 8-week program, you will learn these things.
Liberty! Shit, man!
You had to do one final kick, didn't you, Bruce Lee?
It wasn't my fault.
Check your humors, bro.
Yeah. Don't get it twisted. Cause I hold it down. Yeah. I like to have fun, but don't mess around with money. Money is money, but don't mess around with funny money. Cause funny money makes you end up in the early casket. You'll get paid, but one wrong move makes the guns blasting. Making dough and making music is my passion. That's why I'm on top and you fake cats are just imagining. See me in the club, so fresh and so clean. You blink, then I went from having one girl to having 3. I don't care what you say, cause I do me. No matter what you say, I'm still gonna do me. Making tracks, getting girls and making cheese. So I gotta hold it down and there's only no time.